Of course it would smell like a bunch of BS if you're used to consuming BS on a regular basis and you don't spend time debunking none of the BS. So here's a valid question for you that will put every single United States citizen on equal footing. That is water contamination. Is it healthy for people to drink contaminated water? Which president funded infrastructure for clean drinking water? Well, that wasn't Trump. Trump did not see a problem with certain things and think, oh, I need to make sure infrastructure goes to them and them and them and them and them and them. No, in fact, Trump's first administration rolled back more than 100 environmental rules that was established to help with water contamination. Oh, but it was the Biden's administration that finalized the first ever national drinking water standard to protect 100 million people from drinking PFA pollution. And when there's over 57,000 sites that have some type of PFA contamination, that might be important. And that was just one topic. Oh, it looks like you might be military. Now, I don't know if you were exposed to firefighter foam, but even before our military service men and women left basic training, sometimes due to that basic training and having to put out simple things like fire, they were exposed to hazardous chemicals that have been linked to a whole bunch of different health issues that multiple state attorney generals have sued, but those are a lot of blue-leaning states, not red-leaning states. And just because you don't see some states on that map doesn't mean that certain cities within that state isn't taking certain corporations to court because of PFAs. I mean, one can only wonder what happens when pregnant women consume hazardous chemicals and why it was so crucial for us to have water infrastructure. Oh, but hey, I'm sure you're in the science denial group where you don't think hazardous chemicals can cause a consequence, right? Because hey, on a daily basis, the United States populace is exposed to approximately 87,000 endocrine disrupting chemicals daily, and we're definitely not having that conversation either, are we? Which we should be, because hey, what's crucial during pregnancy? Women's hormones and endocrine disrupting chemicals can cross to the baby via the placenta. Oh, but women aren't the only ones that should be concerned. Oh, but insurance companies named endocrine disrupting chemicals a risk back in 2013, and that was probably because in 2004 scientists proved that babies are being born pre-polluted. Oh, but due to the science deniers, y'all didn't listen to us, so you are in the FAFO phase.